Hello everyone, myself Vikrant Chandan Shive. Today we are discussing about the structure and functions of giant chromosome. Structure of giant chromosomes. The giant chromosome is called polytene chromosomes. First time discovery by E.G. Balbiani in 1881. Polytene chromosomes present in salivary glands of insect. A region of polytene chromosome contains chromonemata composed of many longitudinal strands that forms large size chromosomes. Polytene chromosomes have 0.5 millimeter in length and 20 micron in diameter. So this is the structure of polytene chromosomes. Let we see the actual structure of polytene chromosomes. Here the chromosomes is attached by means of the chromocenters regions. All the chromosomes, that is the chromosome number 1, 2, 3, 4, they are attached with a chromocenter. Okay. There also X and Y chromosomes are attached in this center. See the regions where it contains some darkly stained and were shown in yellow color. This one is region is darkly stained with nuclear stain. It is composed of, this region contains DNA, while the regions were lightly stained, that is this portion I show in blue color, lightly stained, is called as lightly stained. This region, it is called as interstain. Okay. So apart from this, there contain some loops. This one is some loops is there. This loop is called as Balbiani's loops. A discovery is done by the Balbian, that why is called as Balbiani's loops. Okay, or ring. Okay. Moving to our presentation. How giant chromosomes forms endomitosis concept. Due to repeated division of chromosomes but no cytokinesis, that leads to formation of giant chromosomes. All chromosomes are attached with chromocenter. The polytene chromosomes, when stained with nuclear stain, it shows dark stain band and light stain band. Light stain band is also called interstain band. The dark bands contain DNA, where inter bands contains RNA. See, in a structure, it shows that there are some light bands. That means the chromosomes does not composed of RNA. It means that at that region the transcription process is to be carried out. Okay. The enlargement of polytene chromosomes forms pups. The pups containing many loops of RNA and DNA. When the loop becomes circular to form Balbiani rings. Functions of giant chromosomes. Due to increasing volume of nucleus, indirectly cell expansion also increases. Increasing high level of gene expression. Next, help in the development of bar phenotype in some insects. These are the references. Thank you.